Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV. This is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap and micro cap world before the open, so you can hopefully capitalize on them, maybe profit from them, and more importantly, maybe find your next great micro cap and small cap investment. And that's exactly what I'm here to talk to you about today. As predicted, because it's Friday, September the 7th, the Friday right after Labor Day, I said this would be a slow news day. Went through all the news today. Nothing real material to report, but we expect everything to pick up again on Monday when the news cycle takes off and we're back into trading season. So what I want to talk to you about today is something really important that we reported back on August the 23rd in our blog, agoracom.com/blog. And that's the following outstanding fact. 9 of the 10 best performing stocks in the United States over the last 10 years started out as microcap stocks. That's right, folks, microcap stocks. Collectively, they had an average market capitalization of $110 million, which is incredibly low. But if you take out Best Buy, that we all know today, but back then had just a $465 million market cap, take that out of the equation, and the whole group goes down to an average market cap of just $65 million. Here's another great stat. 3 of those 10 companies had market caps of $10 million or less, specifically $10 million, $7 million, and $3 million. These are the micro of the micro caps. That's great news for you. It's great news for us because, as you know, on AGORACOM TV, every single day, we try and find the next great press release that comes out of the markets, and hopefully that acts as a harbinger to what a great company, finding a great company that might go on for years and years to have great success. Something really important. The list of companies, if you go to our blog, agoracom.com/blog, and punch in Fool, because it was the Motley Fool that actually originally reported this story, you'll get the list of companies. But you probably won't recognize any of them, and that except for Best Buy. So what does that tell you? You don't have to find Dell and Microsoft and Cisco and these kind of big name companies. The most successful investors found small, unknown companies that had no Wall Street research, no Wall Street following, were relatively obscure, but they had good management, they had commercial acceptance, and they're on their way to producing some really great products or some really great services. If you're a good, diligent micro-cap investor, small-cap investor, you have an opportunity to find incredible gains and incredible investments. The average gain of these companies is somewhere in the 4,000 to 5,000% range. But if you take the whole number, they're as low as 3,000% gains to as high as 25,000% gains. This is unbelievable. So tune in every single day. Hopefully you'll find out a press release that you can profit from, but more importantly, you might find your next great investment that goes on to become the top 10 performer 10 years from now. As always, hope you have a great hope you have a great weekend. A long weekend was last weekend, but hope you have a great weekend. Be back on Monday when no doubt the news cycle is going to start again. And in the meantime, go take a look at this article, go take a look at these companies, and let's find together our next great investment. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.